Hey,
Can I fight it?
Yo, cuz, you wanna fight it?
Can I fight it?
Yo, cuz, you wanna fight it?
Oh, it's a nice one.
Can I fight it? There we go.
Yeah.
There you go, Pete.
Nice.
Nice fish, bro.
There you go, baby.
Oh yeah. She's solid.
She's solid, yeah.
She's solid. So, chartreuse silk ice.
Chartreuse silk, it's been working.
Chartreuse silk ice.
This one hit kind of close.
Yeah. Nice. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a buck and outrageous day. So, welcome back to another beautiful, beautiful morning. Like I said, crystal clear skies, clear water, high pressure, beautiful day. We're gonna catch a lot of walleye. So, now I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna start off with the hangover. Hangover has been a beauty color for me. I've been using that June bug a lot, and it's been also an ultimate color. They're kind of similar, but one's on steroids. The June bug is on steroids. Anyways, I'm still looking for another big monster. So 30 inches, let's go 11 pounds. Let's try to find her. Set that goal very, very high. Let's try to PB again. Let's go. All right. Bye. Fish. Alright. Yep. First fish of the day, guys. On that hangover. 3/4 ounce jig. It slammed it. Oh, it slammed it. Beautiful pink sky in the background there with the Ambassador Bridge. You guys see that view? I love that view. But first off, let's stare at this fish. It's not going to be a big one.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah, it's nice. There we go. Thank you, Nick. I appreciate it, buddy. Oh, it's a beauty. Oh, it came out. It just came out. It just came out. All right. Thank you, Nick. Thank you. Oh, she's all wrapped up in this line right now. Thank you. Thank you. It is a nice fish. There you go, guys. It does not have a tumor. No, this is a beauty. She is nice though. It's roughly about a 3-pounder. Nice, clean fish. No tumors. Alright, T, switch sides. Nice. It looks like it's gonna be a big one. Nothing's pounding. First year of the year. They're hitting good right. Oh yeah. Nice, Steve. Nice. There you go, bro.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice catch. My brother just got his first walleye right now of the season. Check this out. Roughly about 2 pounds or so. Clean fish. Clean fish. Right there. Nice. Nice catch, T. Oh yeah.
Thanks,
All right.
yo.
Oh yeah, there you go, T. Damn, that's on the
Silver freaking.
the white ice.
Silver minnow looking thing.
Yeah, the silver minnow looking thing you called it. White ice. Yeah, white ice. Other one. Killing them. Slaying them, Teed. Damn.
Thanks, yo.
Oh yeah. You got one. There you go. Nice. Damn, T's slaying it right now. Oh yeah, T's killing it right now. Nice.
I don't know. It's this rod.
I don't know.
Does it look big?
No, it's a nice one, dude.
Yeah, it is a nice one.
It's a sheep's head.
Nice fish, Tease. Dang, you're killing it today.
You are, bro.
You're killing it.
Thanks, yo.
Oh yeah. Teed killed it.
Fish.
Citro sit.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
Maybe. Damn it.
I don't know. That might be a big
I
one.
was have to catch another fish.
We'll see.
I hope I didn't snag it.
Oh, you got it the most. There you go. Yes. Oh no, it's in the chin. Oh yeah, that's a nice walleye, G. Oh yeah, big one.
What's up, brother?
All right, my brother just got his limit, and he is out. So I'm gonna try the white ice also. He was slaying on that. He got his limit. I only have one fish. What's going on here? Comes here and shows me up. Damn.
Bro, man. That's what didn't even want to come. Like the second one I tried yesterday. That one.
Yep. There you go, guys. Fish on again. Number 2 of the day. I got it with the white ice. White ice. That's a nice one.
Nice meal.
Thank you. Second one on the day there.
I'm flipping that shit.
Oh yeah. I'm using a 3/4 right now because the wind picked up earlier. Right to the top of the mouth there. Beautiful fish. Beauty, beauty, beauty. So you guys can see right there. Using that white ice right here. My brother was just laying on. He got his limit before I even got 2. So here's the second one. Top of the mouth, right through that membrane. Perfect. Tough spot to get it out. That fish is not getting off, but check her out. Nice, clean. This is a male. This is a male for sure. Nice clean male, roughly about 2 pounds. Suck. I feel so much better that the sun is out here.
Who said that though?
No, I don't know. Yeah. There we go. Third fish of the day, guys. On the white ice again. Oh yeah. I'm just kind of hitting this hole that they're congregated in. There's probably tons of them just sitting in there. But this one is feisty. Not gonna be a giant one. Beautiful fish though. Oh yeah, right to the top of the mouth. There we go. Thank you, AM. Thank you, AM.
Thank you,
I'm gonna say it just like Peter Sock.
Yeah?
I'm gonna say it just like Peter Sock there. Thank you, AM.
Thank you.
So you guys can see Aham's got one in the back right now. And this is my third fish of the day. Right here. Nice beautiful female. Perfect, perfect eaters. The fish bite has been tremendously on. I got that on a white ice that my brother's been using. He slayed 6 fish before I slayed 2, so I decided to use it. Now they're starting to bite really hard. Let's go do this.
Are you releasing that?
Oh, guess what? I'm going to open a pack of white ice at home. I have another pack at home. I have like 4 of them. I got a whole white ice, right? I got a bunch of packs at home that I don't even use, man. It just sits in my drawer. I'm about to start using them. There we go.
Again?
Yep. Hit another one. Right in the same hole. The same hole. 4 fish on the day here. That was a very nice cast, guys. I'm just hitting the same hole. I can feel the hard bottom. And then it gets very soft. And then boom. They're all sitting there right now. All sitting in the same hole.
Send me one, fucker.
Here we go, guys. So 4th fish. Really quick.
A nice one too.
Thank you.
Good eating.
Thank you. White ice again. All right. So here we go. 4th one of the day. They're actually starting to bite really hard. Really, really snappy. It's been a quick bite. Like I said, perfect weather, perfect conditions. Sunny, clear skies, bluest water you can find right now. There is no debris, no nothing. And this is what you're gonna produce right here. Beautiful, beautiful walleye from the Detroit River. White ice it is. White ice. Yeah, he's got. There you go, Pete. Yeah. There you go. Yep. We're triple heading right now. 5th fish of the day here. On that white ice, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. They're slamming it right now.
3 people just hooked up in
In like a minute.
10 seconds.
Oh yeah.
That was a nice one.
That was a nice run. Thank you, Aham. Alright everyone, this one was a surprise one. There's the 5th one of the day. She's been on that white ice still. I'm hitting the same pocket over and over and over. And it seems like it's like 1 out of every 2 casts I'm getting them right now. So hit that sand bottom, hit the rocks, you'll land in the bed and they'll just snap on it. Let's go.
Back the axe. Oh man, what it is.
It seemed like when that ship came by and turned everything up, the fish turned off. Eh? When that ship came by and made everything muddy, the fish stopped biting. Oh! Yeah, there you go, guys. Sixth fish of the day here. That white ice is really good. Alright guys, this is going to be the sixth fish, the limit fish. Yeah, rim it. Yeah, this fish really rimmed it for the limit. Most wide open there, eh?
Yeah.
There we go, guys. Get in the net. Number 6.
You still fishing or what?
All right. Fish number 6. The limit fish. So I'm actually very, very happy that I got that done. It was a good accomplishment. Great success. Just like Bora would say. They're all perfect eaters today. No blemishes on my fishes, nothing like that. These are going to be perfect for the eating table. Everybody, got to get out here, give this a shot. Slam your fish while you can, because they're only here for a certain amount of time. The spring run is only for the spring run. There you go, guys. Perfect fish. Let's go. Fascinating bite. Got here roughly around 7 a.m.-ish, and then I topped it off 3 to 4 hours. That was about it. Tremendous bite, quick bite. A lot of fish were caught today, and these are the specimens that we pulled out. Check out these hogs right here. There is my limit right behind me with these two nice eaters here. Here we go. Get out here. Short River Walleye 2020. Beautiful place to fish. Beautiful fish to fish for. Beautiful fish to eat. Alright, just gonna end my day there. That was fascinating. Got to smash a quick limit in the morning. I had a hard time at the beginning. I was watching my brother just slay fish. He got that limit. I caught one fish right off the bat, and then I switched over to the white ice, which he was using, and then I just started destroying him. I could see why he was using it, because it looks just like a minnow. Look at the shine on that. Beautiful bait. They were just taking this, golfing it in, smashing them. Anyways, guys, like that. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. You guys get out here. Beautiful weather. Alright, until next time, peace.